Hi, Sugar Cookies. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisperer. I found some videos I could re-upload. This is the Greek-inspired FAKORIZO salad I uploaded on Instagram. It's delicious. Looky, look. It might not be authentic, but it is my inspiración. And I can guarantee you it's gonna be delicious. Some cooked rice that's already been cooled. And I have some purple, isn't it parodies? Some purple diced onion. Some nice Kalamata olives that I've halved. Grape tomatoes. 2 cans of tuna in oil. I've drained them. I have cooked lentils. Here I have chopped spinach and arugula. Some lemon and lime to include the juice and the zest. Scallions. Ginger and garlics to the party. Let's see, as far as spices are concerned, I have some ground black peppers, some cumin, oregano, extra virgin olive oil. This is a little secret that I love to use. Now, if you can't find this, no problem, don't worry. No worries, I got you. Just make a mixture of turmeric, garlic, a little bit of salt, and you're good. I just use this as a backup when I'm feeling lazy. Don't judge me. Some apple cider vinegar. You can use the vinegar that you'd like. Some balsamic crema or balsamic glaze, really. This is optional. Let's get to putting this together, shall we? Guys, this salad checks off several boxes for me. It is beautiful to look at. It is healthy, economical, nutrient dense, easy to put together. Did I mention?
Delicious, because it is. It's delicious. Tell your friends I said so. It is amazing.
And by leaving the tuna out, it becomes completely vegan. You're welcome. I know what you're thinking.
But Cookie!
I don't have that seasoning blend in my area. It's hard to find. Don't worry, I've got you. As I mentioned before, you can substitute that season blend for turmeric powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. That's it. And you can add that to vegetables, you can add that to salads. It is absolutely amazing. Delicious. Sprinkle in a little extra oregano. It's delicious, I promise you. It is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. Yes. Apple cider vinegar. Not too much, just a little. Yes, look at that. What a beaut. Oh.
Ooh, this is heavy. Is she parties?
I'm gonna chop up this Calabrian pepper right here.
Bring the heat to the party. Ooh, yeah. You're fucking spicy.
Ooh, yes. I'm salivating, guys. I'm salivating. Can't wait to see how this tastes. I was inspired. Chef Aki's, he's a Greek chef, and I enjoy quite a bit of his recipes, and this is a take on it. Of course, I added my own spin to it, which you should do with recipes anyway. And oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is so Hearty's. Okay, that's that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Can't wait for Rubes to try this out. Now, what we can do is I'm going to grate just a little bit more ginger over the top, because I think that's going to taste really good. Yes. Just like that. He did this in his video, fresh over the salad. So, I mean, I imagine this is going to be delicious. Oh my gosh. And I have capers in there, kalamata, the arugula and spinach right here, baby arugula and spinach here, purple onions, the rice I cooked fresh and let it cool at room temperature, the lentils that I boiled, the oil packed tuna, you can use water packed tuna as well, and some beautiful cherry tomatoes, and that dressing you just saw me make, those Calabrian chili peppers. Oh yes, she's Hearty's, but we're gonna toss this because she's got to get 8. That's a nice thumbnail, huh? Toss her up. Actually, let me do this. That's Hearty's, ain't it? Look at that. What a beautiful presentation. For yourself, for your family, for future guests, for a point.
Give me points, people, points!
Should I use this? Should I do it? Should I do it? That's what he did. Okay, let's try it out just a little bit. Okay, let's talk. Oops. Let's toast up the shallot. No, we can't do it like that. Bleh.
Get it together, Cookie.
Here we go. Babe, this is gonna be good. Are you there? Woo! Calling Rubio, calling Rubio. Calling the Baudelaire children. Look at how beautiful. Delicious. Okay, let's see what the Rubio thinks.
All right. Let's see. I'm going in. See what we got here. I'm going into combat with my salad. You just tripped?
No.
All right. There we go. Smells good. Smells
Wait.
good.
How about we thank the Lord?
Oh yeah. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food we're about to receive. Bless the hands that prepared this food, and let this food be strength and nutrition to our bodies. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
And then me.
It smells so good.
All right. I taste the lemon. Well, the lemon. The what do you put on it? Cilantro?
No, the
garlic. Not garlic. Onions.
Lentils. This is antioxidant packed, superfood packed, protein packed. Oh my gosh, this is nice. This is very refreshing.
Definitely lemony or limey or something. It's good.
You're picking up on it.
I know I see lentils, like you said, rice, little grape tomatoes, arugula, spinach. Well, it's all in the video, I guess, when you were prepping it. So I'm telling you, this is good. And I have some cukes on the side. Let's see. I saw
Make this.
Good. Wow. And this is tuna, you said, right? It's good. It's good.
This one is yellowfin tuna.
Man, this thing is packed with omega-3 fatty acid. It has protein. You're getting from the fish and the lentil. Carbs, fiber. From the
Potassium. We have Kalamata olives in here as well.
Really?
I have capers in there as well. I wish I had fresh dill, because fresh dill would make this.
Where'd you get the inspiration from that for this? That's good. I will eat this every day.
I got inspiration from a Greek chef that I like to watch now and then. His name is Chef Akis. And he makes this. This is so good. You pick it up on it.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. I have some cukes on the side. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Mm. What you get the inspiration from that for this? That's good. I will eat this every day.
It just, I mean, this is a variation. It's not, you know, to the T, but wow. Chef Aki's, this is amazing. Thank you for the inspiration. This is delicious.
This is delicious. All those little flavor profiles in there with from the calamata,
yes.
the lime, the lemon.
Definitely has a nice Mediterranean flavor profile to it. This is good, guys.
No,
oh my
this
gosh.
is delicious. And most of all, it's healthy. Big time.
Healthy, and it's delicious for real.
Thank you. This is good. This is delish.
Well, guys, you heard it here and you saw it here first.
Nice thing to come home to, especially from that long flipping bike ride, huh?
Yeah, the bike ride, and yeah, it was hot on that bike ride.
This is so refreshing. Oh my gosh, I can't stop. When the green onions and the purple onions that come through.
You have the scallion, the green onions, yeah, the
And the garlic is just enough. Nothing is overpowering. It's a more moment, opportunity. You listening?
I'm listening. I think the camera has to, the mic has to be like off camera, put off to the side too.
What are you doing there?
Every time.
Anywho, guys, comment below. I was doing so good.
I mean, yeah.
Comment below. Let us know what you think of this salad. I'm telling you, you can even make this without the tuna. If you want to make it completely like vegan, there you go. Boop, 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 boop. Make it.
Jesus Eucharisto. Yeah.
Something like that.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment below and let me know what you thought about this salad. If you have any easy rice salads or similar salads to this that we can put together in a jiffy, post it below. You're gonna help all of us out. We appreciate it very much. Share the video.
Don't judge me.
Share the video. Why? Because sharing is caring. Psst. Post your notifications and select all so you don't miss my videos. And as I say, smile. Your soul will thank you for it. You don't believe it? Still?
1 minute.
Watch, watch, watch. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next. I'll see you in the next. Wepa, I'll see you in the next. I'll see you in the next. I'll see you in the next.
We're all in this together. We're all in this together.